In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Stripe Express. Whether you're getting paid through a marketplace or a platform that uses Stripe, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to access your Express dashboard with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well, and using an up-to-date version helps pages load securely and correctly. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private window and be sure to sign out when you're done for safety. In the address bar, type connect.stripe.com/express/login and press enter. Double-check the spelling and make sure you see the secure padlock icon next to the web address. This is the official Stripe Express login page, and going directly to the link helps you avoid lookalike or phishing sites. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future access. On the login screen, enter the email address associated with your Stripe Express account. This should be the same email you used when you accepted the original invitation from your platform. Keep in mind that Stripe often uses secure, passwordless authentication, so after you enter your email, you may be prompted to verify your identity through a code or link sent to that inbox. Just follow the prompts on screen. Stripe will guide you through any required checks. If you can't remember which email you used, open the original invitation you received to join Stripe Express and click the link inside. That invitation securely redirects you to the correct place and helps confirm the right email for your account. A quick tip: try searching your inbox for Stripe Express or the name of the platform that pays you, and check your spam or promotions folders if you don't see it right away. Note that you may need to access Stripe Express through a unique invite link to set up your account the first time. This link is specific to you and is required to complete onboarding and connect your payouts. If you've never set up Stripe Express before and you don't have that invite, reach out to the platform that pays you and ask them to resend it. Some invite links can expire for security, so getting a fresh one ensures a smooth setup. That's it. Open your browser, go directly to connect.stripe.com, express, login, enter the email tied to your account, and use your unique invitation link when setting up for the first time. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be into your Stripe Express dashboard in no time. Thanks for watching and happy logging in.